I seriously messed up. I looked at my flight time wrong. I thought I was supposed to be here at 7 a.m. and guess what? I'm actually supposed to be here at 6 a.m. My flight is gonna leave in about 45 minutes. I have to go through the parking deck. I have to go drop off my bags at Delta. Then I gotta go through TSA pre-check. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Maybe Clear's gonna help me get through there faster. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and bypass this whole line and go straight to Clear over there, as you can see it. And it's gonna be much faster. This line is massive. Look at this. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, the Credit Guy. I'm the owner and founder of Limitless Culture. We created the most advanced DIY credit management system in the industry. Our system allows you to take control of your credit, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters every single round, never using templates, for only $55.99 a month. Link is always going to be in the description. Now let's get into this video. This is the regular TSA line. That's insane. That line is massive. Look over at Clear. There's only maybe 2 or 3 people in front of me, way faster.
Eyes, fingers, what we choose today?
Fingers.
Fingers, fabulous. Put those right on there for me, 2 of them. Ready? Are you good? Lift up your fingers for me and we'll bring out your boarding pass. When your picture pops up, please put your boarding pass face down on the scanner. All right, Michael, let's go. You going to LA today?
Yep.
Fabulous. Let's go.
This is where it gets really good. She's gonna walk us through this massive TSA line that you saw. We're gonna skip in front of everybody and nobody can stop us. This is the entire point of having Clear. You don't have to stand in that massive line. They're gonna hand walk you through this line and get you to the front. Everyone stared me down and was like, who is this guy? Why is he so important? We have Clear, people.
Right here for me, sir.
ID?
No ID, just your boarding pass. You have your boarding pass?
Yep.
All right. So just show them your boarding pass and then you're good to go. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much. We did make it on time. We didn't miss our flight. I made a really bad last-minute decision and I decided to check my 2 bags and only carry my book bag with my computer in it. And I literally had less than 45 minutes before my flight was going to take off. And Delta was like, yeah, we're not sure if we can check these bags. So they kind of went back and forth and they were super cool because I had Sky Priority and they took my bags and they checked them. It took about 15 minutes. But literally me busting through that line with Clear got me through TSA in less than a minute and a half. That is groundbreaking for any traveler. So on today's episode, I'm gonna show you all the credit cards that can help you skip the lines at the airport. There are only 3 credit cards that get you Clear for free. What they do is they cover the cost of your Clear membership. So all you have to do is purchase your Clear membership using a specific credit card. Then you're gonna get a statement credit, making it 100% free. Now, some credit cards cover all of the fees and then some of them do not, but these are the first 3. Now, I'm gonna be looking at the American Express Platinum, the American Express Business Platinum, and the American Express Green Card. Each one of these cards is gonna get you Clear to help you skip the lines at the airport. Before we get into the credit card part, let's talk about the true cost of Clear itself. Now, if you're someone that doesn't want to get a credit card, that's perfectly fine. You can purchase Clear on your own without a credit card. Now, it's gonna cost you $189 per year just for one person. Now, if you want to add multiple adults and build what they call a family plan, you can add up to 3 adult family members for only $70 per year. Now, if you have any children that are under the age of 18, they are 100% free. So when our kids travel with us, we have a 17-year-old, a 9-year-old, and a 3-year-old. They're gonna go through Clear with us for 100% free. So in my personal opinion, this is totally worth it because as you saw, especially if you're traveling with a family, you can get through TSA much faster in less than 2 minutes. That's insane. Now here is a crazy insider tip. So I carry the Platinum personal credit card because I'm not going to use the actual clear credit for this card. I'm gonna make my wife an authorized user on this card, and then she's going to use the clear credit because she's an authorized user with my Amex Platinum Personal. Now, I also carry the Amex Business Platinum card, and that's where I'm going to use the clear credit for myself. So now we both don't have to pay for the clear credit. And it makes sense because my business is gonna pay the annual fee for the business credit card, and then I'm gonna pay for the annual fee for my personal card. Last part is the most important. Did you know at certain airports, once you're done going through TSA, there's a like button to tell them if you liked your experience? No, I'm just kidding. There's not, but this channel definitely has a like button. Make sure you smash that like button and you hit that subscribe button because we're trying to get this channel to 1 million subscribers and we cannot do it without you. Now, the American Express Green Card comes with a welcome offer of 40,000 membership reward points if you spend $3,000 in 6 months. You're also going to get 3x points that you're going to be able to multiply if you purchase flights, hotels, tours, campgrounds, car rentals, cruises, vacation rentals, and more using the green card. You'll also get 3x points on transit that includes trains, taxi cabs, rideshare, ferries, tolls, parking, buses, and subways, which is awesome. And you're also going to get 3x points on dining worldwide, takeout and delivery with the green card. So it's a great entry-level credit card that you can use for multiple purposes. Next up is the American Express Platinum. It's the big kahuna, the big cheese. This comes in as a charge card, that's right. So you have to pay it back every month, or you can use the pay over time feature. Now, people complain about the annual fee all over the place. $695 is not something to say, oh, it's not that big of a deal. It's a huge deal. It's $700 a year. But if you don't use the credit card, then it doesn't make sense. Let me break down all of the credits you're gonna get and how you're going to be actually winning if you use the card properly. So let's put up this massive page of benefits. So when people complain about this, you gotta understand you have to use it. So you're looking at a $200 hotel credit, $240 digital credit, $155 Walmart Plus credit. That also gets you Paramount Plus, just so you know, $189 clear credit to bust through TSA security, $200 Uber cash credit, $200 airline fee credit, $1,184 in credits, minus the $695 annual fee. You are $489 in the positive, and you are winning if you use the card properly. Now let's go look at the final credit card that can get you the clear credit. It is going to be the Business Platinum American Express. This is why I carry it in my wallet for this specific credit, but it also stacks up a lot of credits just like the personal card does. Now, the American Express Business Platinum does come with a welcome offer of 120,000 points if you spend $15,000 in 3 months. Sheesh, that is crazy. But if you're a business out there and you can actually make that happen, then this makes sense because those points go a long way. Now, there is a $695 annual fee with this specific credit card, the Business Platinum, and it is in fact a charge card, just like the personal. You can use it and pay it off in full every month, or you get the pay over time feature based on your spending habits with the Business Platinum. Now let's look at all the benefits and how you can actually come out on top also if you use it properly. Now, as far as credits, you're going to get a $100 global entry credit. You're going to get a $400 Dell credit on any purchases with Dell that qualify, $200 airline fee credit, a $189 clear credit, that's what we want, for a total of $889 in credits minus the $695 annual fee. You're in the positive $194. If you're gonna use it, it makes sense for your business. Now, in case you thought I forgot, no, I didn't. Both of these credit cards, the Business Platinum and the Personal Platinum, are going to get you lounge access. Because let's be honest, we don't want to stand in a crowded terminal. Take a look at this. This is at the LAX terminal on my way back to North Carolina. This is insane. Where am I supposed to go? Where am I supposed to sit? There's no room. So I'm gonna go up to the LAX Delta Sky Lounge. It is one of the largest in the network. And the second best lounge, in my personal opinion, is a Centurion. I prefer the Delta Sky lounges. People say that they're always packed. I haven't had that problem. Take a look what it looks like when I walked in there first thing in the morning. There was literally nobody there. All right, here we go. This is the Delta Sky Lounge at the LAX International Airport. It's one of the largest lounges. Now remember, they're all going to vary in size, but this is one of my favorites for a lot of reasons. Now, they're going to have kind of duplicated serving sides. So all of the food is going to be on two sides. So this is the first side. You're going to see all of the things that they're putting out. They're not even done putting everything out. So this is not everything because I was really early. They just opened and I think they were a little bit behind, which is fine because it's all free and everybody's in a great mood. But look at all the seating. So when people say these lounges are packed, it's overwhelming. It depends on the lounge. When people make those comments, you know, they really don't know. They really don't travel that much. And they don't understand the different sizes of them. Look how big this bar is. As you saw the other one, there's like private little rooms you can sit in there and have private phone calls. Nobody can hear you. This bar is massive. There's 2 bars. There's drink stations. There's lounge areas. There's more lounge areas. Another lounge area. You saw the other one with that massive TV. It's like a little sports area. They have drink stations, coffees, sodas, juices, anything your little heart desires. And all of this is free instead of spending money at an actual airport terminal. Then the outdoor part's like one of my favorite things. You're actually looking at the tarmac. There's another bar. It's massive. And there's a whole other side for more lounge area. You can sit there and just watch the planes land and come in. It's pretty dope. There you have it. I wanted to make this video for you so you can see firsthand what it's like to actually use Clear and bust through TSA security with 0 issues in less than 2 minutes. That's tremendous. And I also wanted you to get a firsthand look at the lounges and what they truly look like so you can see if this is truly worth it for you, because at the end of the day, this has to make sense for you. We could talk about credit cards all day long, but if you don't know what it looks like, what does it matter, right? So if you want me to make more content like this, showing you airports, lounges, different things that you don't understand about travel benefits, drop it in the comments section. Drop some emojis in there so we can get this video going, because it's all about you, our community. We cannot thank you enough, so thank you for watching. And if you want to get any of these credit cards, I'm going to drop them in the comments section for the actual cards that you saw in this video that help support our channel. Now make sure that you watch the next 2 videos because those are recommended by YouTube. And don't forget, subscribe to increase your credit score.